There will never be anyone like her. She sees things differently. She had a genuine, and when you say passion, it was a passion. It was a passion for everything in the industry.
I learned so many lessons working with Laura. One of those is business is just about people, no matter what you make. Another lesson that Laura taught me was that not knowing how to do something or never having done something before is not a reason to not try it. Her motto was, well, we'll just roll up our sleeves, jump in, and figure it out.
She set the tone for every woman. If you want it, you can do it. You work hard, hard work pays off, regardless of gender.
What did Laura do? It's almost really, what did Laura not do? She led the way for many women in an industry that is and was dominated by men. She would be the only woman in the room, and there would be all men, and someone would say, excuse me, you're in the wrong room. And she would have to say, no, I'm in the right room.
She became a well-respected champion of our industry, but not just any industry. It's an old blue-collar, male-dominated industry. She truly was a trailblazer for women.
She was one of the most intelligent, beautiful, inside and out, and wanted everyone to succeed, men, women, children, everybody. If you had a dream, she would encourage it.
What has the loss of Laura meant to us? So we lost a leader, we lost a trailblazer, we lost a friend, we lost a confidant, a mother, so many things that we lost. What we didn't lose was her zeal to see us continue and to win and succeed.
You want me to ruin my reputation as a hard ass? Is that what I'm getting? No. I'm Laura Lyke, 100% owner, president, and CEO of ICC International. We manufacture commutators for large industrial applications around the world. What I would like to do is bring awareness of the fact that women in industry, gender diversity, whatever you want to call it, brings tangible and quantifiable benefits to any company. I believe that this is just another step in moving forward and ensuring the health and success of this industry. Please join me in making this happen now, not 15 years from now.
We're honored that Laura has been inducted into the Women in Manufacturing Hall of Fame.
You could not have picked a more deserving candidate. We want to carry this on for her. We want to make her proud. We want this to be established for years and years down the road.